Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to export Google Photos to laptop. So it's a very simple process. Make sure to stick with us right till the end. First thing, open up a browser and go to googlephotos.com. So type in photos.google.com and that's going to show this sort of interface. While you're on this page, what next you need to do is press the profile icon from the top right, and then you just have to head over to your manage account section. So press this, and when you've actually done that, it's going to direct you to the Google Manager page. Over here, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom. So on this page, you need to go to data and privacy first of all. Then you need to go ahead and scroll down right to the bottom, and you can find apps and services. Go ahead and click on the arrow icon next to it, and then you need to go ahead and scroll down and locate Google Photos. When you locate Google Photos, you need to go ahead and press on download. Now you just have to simply follow the prompt in order to export Google Photos to a laptop. So go ahead and enter all of these information, follow the prompt, and you'll have successfully export Google Photos to laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.